So I finally made it to Big Lots, and I got this seasonal edition holiday favorites coffee and hot cocoa mix. It comes with 96 K-cups, and they come out to about 33 cents each. It's $29.99 for the big box. And I got these, and I'm excited to try these. They're gingerbread biscotti. These were $3.29 for an 8-pack. I'm crunching away, and yes, it's delicious. If you guys use K-cups, that's a good deal. So I go to the post office, and of course they're super busy as always. But today, one of the little ladies that usually is in charge of passport photos and stuff like that, they were using her as a cashier. She didn't look pleased about that. I go in, and I'm carrying 8 packages, and 3 need to be labeled by them. So I asked my regular postal worker, can I just drop these off here? She goes, of course. They already have labels and everything. I said yes. So I'm maneuvering my packages, and I put the 3 that don't need postage down on top of stacks and stacks of other people's mail that they have dropped off as well. And then the little lady comes and says, ma'am, are these your packages? And I said, yes, they are. She goes, I need to move them because I need to get all this stuff out of the way. And I said, I'm done. Those can't go there. They need postage. So I get my packages, and then she proceeds to push all these giant, about 3-foot high stacks of mail down on the floor of the other side of the counter. She pushes them all the way off the counter to the other side to the floor. So she's basically pushing things off her counter onto the floor instead of just walking over the around and putting things in where they belong, in the basket, hand things. She was pushing things off to the floor. And I have something that's really important, and I packed it with care, but I could just hear crunching in the packages. I was astounded that she would do this sort of thing right in front of us. We pay a lot in postage. Customers pay a lot. They're mailing their loved ones holiday packages, and for her to just make that decision to just, you know, in a few minutes, just throw everything on the floor just because she wants to hurry up. I hate to gripe, but I will show you guys what I sold that was there, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be broken because she started there was no rhyme or reason. You can put smaller packages on top of larger packages, of course. She was just letting everything go, and I could kind of hear the crunchy sound of broken glass in those packages. This person paid 26 something altogether, or 24. But it's just it's a seasonal item, so you know she wants it quickly, and when she opens it, it's gonna be broken, and it's just gonna really suck. But anyways, what can you do? Ranting and raving, but that sucked. I wish I would have filmed that. I have spiders that they've sent me, and I have spiders that the Record Crate Adam, who's also a great guy, have sent me. But these ones, you don't have to babysit your record player. It's a big spider. You just plop it down, and you don't have to mess with it. You plop it down, and the record falls right on top. So I got a lot of vintage 45s, vintage 7-inch 45 singles that were all Christmas. So let's go over them. So we have Brenda Lee with Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. Do, 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 do. So I know the words, but I'm not going to sing it. I know most of the words. Blue Christmas by Jim Reeves. I'm assuming that this is the same Blue Christmas as Elvis. You'll all have a blue Christmas without you. And this is by Dolly Parton. I've never heard this, but it's called Hard Candy Christmas. I'm going to have to Google that. I've never heard of this one. I think I've heard of this one with the female singer. And this is Randy Travis with Pretty Paper. And this one on this side is White Christmas Makes Me Feel Blue. Makes Me Blue. This is the Christmas song by Nat King Cole. And on the other side it says The Little Boy That Santa Claus Forgot. Oh, that's so sad. So, chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe. And this one, Silent Night, Holy Night, Silent Night, and Katie's Christmas Card. And this one is by John Schneider, and this one also is by John Schneider. Okay. New Year's song, Auld Lang Syne. And that's by Guy Lombardo. And the other side is Hot Time in Old Town Tonight. Never heard of that one. Ooh, this is what I bought the lot for. It's the Ronettes. And it is I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus. Ooh, on the other side, it's the Crystals with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So I love girl groups. I love 60s groups. And I've never heard of this one. This is by the group Alabama. And it's Christmas in Dixie. So, and the other side is Never Be One. Never heard of it. Not sure. But I'm so happy that the two hip chicks sent me this. This is awesome. Thank you.